As the days get shorter, our plate gets bigger. Most of us experience an increase in appetite during winters. We run to guilt-ridden food to keep us warm and escape the biting cold weather. Result: weight gain. Drinking less water throughout the day in winter could be another reason for those perpetual food cravings. To fight weight gain in winters, start off by fighting your cravings. How? By eating. And by this, we mean eating certain healthy foods that may help curb food cravings and also aid weight loss. Believe it or not, there are some experts-backed foods that can keep you feeling full for a long time while suppressing your urges of unhealthy and binge eating. Can't wait to find out about them? Here they are. 7 foods to fight cravings in winter. 1. Dark chocolate. A study in the Journal of Nutrition and Diabetes claims that eating dark chocolate may cut down cravings for both sweet and salty foods. Other than this, dark chocolate provides many health benefits like bringing mental peace, improving heart function, and regulating blood pressure. But it goes without saying that you should keep the intake to a minimum amount. 2. Eggs. A study by the St. Louis University in the United States suggested that eggs, if had for breakfast, lead to the feeling of satiety and help prevent binge eating for the next 26 hours. Eggs also help you load up on all essential amino acids. 3. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are known to suppress hunger. The seeds are rich in fiber and omega fatty acids that bring you a host of health benefits apart from promoting weight loss. Half a teaspoon of flax seeds per day is enough to reap their benefits. 4. Quinoa. The whole grain of quinoa is replete with protein, fiber, complex carbohydrates, and essential vitamins. All these nutrients work together to keep you full and limit calorie intake. 5. Spinach. Winter is the time to load up on this green vegetable. A study by Lund University in Sweden studied spinach extracts and found that they contain green leaf membranes which can tone on hedonic hunger for unhealthy foods. 6. Beetroot. According to nutritionist Rujuta Divekar, tubers like beetroot and also RB and sweet potato can come in handy to curb sweet cravings that hit us quite often during winters. She suggests consuming beetroot and other tubers 3 to 4 times a week. 7. Oats. Weight management expert Gargi Sharma says oats are loaded with fiber that takes longer to digest. A bowl of oatmeal increases the appetite-regulating hormone cholecystokinin, which can actually control hunger rest of the day. Don't let winter block your weight loss journey. Build your power to fight food cravings with a healthy diet. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.